Stop these 5 things right now. They are killing your YouTube channel and you don't even know it yet. If you're a new YouTuber on this page, there are 5 things that you need to know. There might be more than 5, but I'm going to be sharing just 5 that you need to know and you need to stop doing so you don't kill your YouTube channel. The first one on the list is using copyrighted sound. Like, it's not done. Like, don't do it. Don't even do it. Like, just picking any sound you see on any video editing app and then you just use it on your videos and then you just upload it. Now, I understand that sometimes you are naive enough to do that and then you don't know, but then YouTube usually sends a strike, like a warning, not a strike per se, but like a warning. Oh, this sound that you used is copyrighted. So as much as you can, avoid using copyrighted sound. Sometimes it's hard to tell which is copyrighted and which is not. So our advice that you should go to YouTube audio, YouTube studio audio. Like, the only thing is that the list is so long and you may need to take your time to listen to a couple of them and find the one you like, and you can download them and keep using it as time goes on. But it's safe, it's pretty safe to use YouTube audio, like the YouTube audio from YouTube studio, than using any other sound. Like, maybe you just like a particular artist music and then you just use the music and you just upload your video. Copyrighted sound can also be from using a sound that is playing in the background. So let's say you're recording a video, maybe a wedding, a vlog or something, and then this background sound is like they are playing somebody like an artist music, and then the sound is like maybe up to, I don't know how many minutes that YouTube calculates it, but if it's longer than, maybe for example, longer than 1 minute or longer than 2 minutes, it gets flagged as copyrighted. So there's a way to go about it, but it will save you a lot of time by just muting that part, like using a non-copyrighted music, maybe using another sound that could flow or blend into the video. If you don't have money to buy like music, then it's very easy. Just go to YouTube studio, go to audio library, and then you see lots and lots of um, sound effects, sound and background music that you can use. So avoid copyrighted sound and music at all costs. Like, avoid it. The second mistake you're making is disregarding copyright warnings. When you use a copyrighted sound and YouTube warns you that, oh, this sound is copyrighted, and then you ignore it, and sometimes they even give you a strike and you ignore it as well. So most times when they give you a warning, there are sometimes that the warning may not have impact on your video or on your channel, but maybe the only stuff is that you will not be able to monetize the video. But then it's important that once YouTube just notifies you that any sound is copyrighted, make sure you do something about it. And there are pretty much some stuff you can do about it. You can either mute that part that is copyrighted, or you can replace it, or basically just trim it altogether. So there are like different options that you can choose from, but I advise that you should pay attention to that. So anytime YouTube gives you a warning or a strike, please pay attention to that, because it gets to a point where you get as many strike and then YouTube just takes down your channel. It's not even about getting monetized or not, but YouTube will just take down your channel and then you end up starting from square one. So you don't want to do that. Do not disregard strikes or warning. Once you get that, you definitely get it in your email. Once you get any copyright strike or anything, they'll send it to your email. So make sure that you're always checking your email so you'll be sure that you're on track. Another thing that you're doing is stealing other creators' content. I don't know why people do this thing. I don't know. I would never understand why people do that, but it doesn't make any sense. Like, do not steal other creators' content. Like, why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? You're just harming your channel. Why don't you make our time to create original videos? Even if you like what the creator did, why don't you create yours? Maybe it's a vlog, maybe it's something, maybe it's a sit down video on a topic that you like or you're interested in. Instead of resharing that creator's content on your YouTube channel, why don't you sit down and maybe create yours, or maybe react to theirs or something, but don't just copy completely a creator's content and then post it on your YouTube channel. You're just killing your YouTube channel, because YouTube would flag that video. It's going to flag that video, and if you're not even careful, your account may get banned by doing that. It's not even allowed, so you have to be very careful. Another thing that's killing your channel is using clickbait. Now, YouTube may not necessarily punish you for a lack of a better word. They may not necessarily do that to you, but audiences would not take you seriously, and that would just kill your YouTube channel. Because every time you're using clickbait on your videos, you say one thing and then people watch the video, you're saying something else. You entice people with your title, with a thumbnail, and then when they're watching the video, it's something entirely different. You have to be really careful and strategic with the way you craft your titles and your thumbnails, whatever, your description and everything, so that you don't mislead people. Because the more you do it, the more um people will lose interest in watching your videos, because whenever they see your video, you just know that, oh, this person always use clickbait, so I'm not going to even watch, and they don't get interested in it. And before you know it, your subscriber counts will keep reducing, your viewership will keep reducing, because people now see that you're using clickbait, like you're just trying to drag our attention. If you know the video that you made is not answering a particular question, try not to mislead people. Do not do it. Because I once watched a video that said, the video was supposed to, I was looking for a demo on how to do something, I can't remember, on my laptop, and then this video claimed to like solve it, like, and then some people even go as far as paying people to leave comments under the video so that you can say, oh, this video helped me and stuff like that, and then it did not help them. So you have to be very, very careful when you keep doing that. You might get flagged from YouTube, but definitely you're going to be losing a lot of viewership because of that stuff. It doesn't even make any sense. Another thing that might kill your YouTube channel is using third-party apps. I once lost my Instagram account because I used a third party app. Now I'm not talking about Instagram here, I'm talking about YouTube. I'm just saying, just like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or any other platforms, they are always very conscious of third party apps. They do not like using third party apps, like apps that they do not verify. Do not use it. So if any app is claiming to, you know, you can use your connect your YouTube, you have to be very careful, because your account will just get flagged, banned, and before you need to just disappear. So we have to be very, very, very careful. Like, use apps that you know that you're trusted, that they are trusted. If any app that tells you to connect your YouTube channel, read up about it. Go to YouTube and check, is this app actually a good app? So for example, apps like TubeBuddy and which other one, TubeBuddy and vidIQ, something like that. I think those apps are already verified by YouTube. You can use them, at least for now. But there are some apps that you don't necessarily need to connect them to your YouTube channel. So you have to be very careful, and you have to read carefully. Go online, research, go to YouTube website or something, and then research, is this app actually allowed, before you can connect your YouTube to the app, so that you don't end up killing your channel. Now, this last one on my list is not necessarily, it's just like a personal opinion for me. I think one of the ways that you may be killing your YouTube channel is not responding or engaging with your community. Like, you put out a video and people are leaving comments, they are asking you questions, they want to learn more about something, and then you don't respond, you don't engage. You go ahead and post another video. People come under the video and then they say stuff. You might get away with it if you are a big YouTuber and you don't really care about all of that. But then if you're a growing YouTuber, it's very important to take interaction seriously. Engagement, you need to take it seriously. When people leave comments, when people ask questions, try as much as possible to respond. I know that sometimes it can get really overwhelming, many comments are much, but at least 95% of the time, respond to comments, respond to engagement. It helps the YouTube algorithm knows that, okay, people actually like what this person put out, I'm going to share it with more people. But if you're not like engaging with people's comments, people would tend not to even leave comments anymore. But to encourage people to leave more comments, it's good to engage with them and interact with them. If not all, at least maybe to a good percentage, maybe more than 50%. You just take your time and then, start responding. Or if you can't do that, maybe somebody can help you to just, respond. Or maybe you can just like, there's this movie channel that I watch that I really like, and is Bolaji Ogumola TV, and then she has like lots of comments on her videos. But I think there's a thing, she just like, thank you for watching. It's just like a copy and paste thing. She likes the comment and say thank you for watching. So for example, if there are like 200 comments, at least she responds to like maybe 50% of them and just like them and say thank you for watching. So it's very nice. Don't feel like because you have made it in life, you don't want to engage. That's not even a way to like build and grow your community. So I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that there are stuff that can kill your YouTube channel, but then you can avoid them. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've made any of these mistakes, it's okay, you can always correct it. If you have more tips, please leave them in the comment, and also share this video with any small YouTuber you know, and I'm going to see you in my next video.